We will now create a facing toolpath. Select 2D and select Facing. Expand this flyout menu. Expand Extrude 1 and select Sketch 1. In this example, Sketch 1 from the Extrude 1 feature is a full rectangle. This shape provides a good boundary for the facing operation. By using this sketch, we are certain the facing tool will cut the entire top face. Select the Chains Manager. You should have one chain in the Chain Manager. Since this is a facing operation, no cut direction or cut side is required. Press OK. Select Tool and select Library Tool. Using the filter, select the 2-inch face mill. Enter the comment, face the top of the part. Select Cut Parameters. Change the style to zigzag. Move between cuts set to high-speed loops, and stock to leave on floors to 0. Select Depth Cuts. Enable Depth Cuts and set the max rough step to 0.1 and the number of finish cuts to 1. Finish step set to 0.01. Select Linking Parameters. Enable Clearance set to 2 absolute. Retract 0.25 incremental. Feed plane 0.2 incremental, top of stock 0.1 absolute, and depth 0 incremental. Select Coolant and turn Coolant Flood on. Then press OK. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then verify the operation. When verify is finished, minimize the simulation window.